I'm going to tell you a secret today. I cannot wait. So let's review hot cross buns, and then I'll tell you the secret. There we go. Tap the beat, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now let's tap it in the air, the melody of the hot cross buns part. Ready, go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. And the past couple lessons we've been reviewing those hot cross buns notes, and we've determined that it's 3 notes moving down by step. Echo me. 3 notes moving down by step. Got it? Okay. When we have 3 notes that move down by step, we can sing mi, re, do. Oh, new hand sign. We already knew mi and do, but we did not know re, which was right between. Mi, here's the hand sign. Re, you just turn them down. Do is the fist. Okay, so now we can sing hot cross buns with our solfege and our hand signs. Join me. Ready, go. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. You know some other songs with re in it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sing the phrase and you echo back with the solfege. I will show them for you, okay? Good luck. Bow, wow, wow. Do, do, do. Whose dog art thou? Me, 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 me. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. So, me, do. Bow, wow, wow. Me, re, do. It was at the end. Okay, good. This one's going to be a little bit tricky. Okay. So I'm only going to have you echo on the second half of the song. Rocky Mountain. Okay, so I will pause. Do, 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 do. That's when you start echoing. Here I go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Now, I'm going to sing one phrase next. You echo back with solfege. Do, 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 do. Do, mi, so, la. Do remember me. Mi, mi, re, do, re. Do, 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 do. Do, mi, so, la. Do remember me. Mi, mi, re, re, do. Almost tricky, especially when mi, re, back and forth. But I'm sure you hung in there really well. Here's one of our favorites. Oh, I can't wait to get back together again so we can play this game. Closet key. My turn, then your turn. I'm going to do the words. You echo back with the does and me's and rays. I have lost the closet key. Do, do, mi, do, do, mi. In some lady's garden. Do, do, mi, re, mi. I have lost the closet key. Do, do, mi, do, do, mi. In some lady's garden. Do, do, mi, re, do. Super job. Let me think. One more. Firefly, firefly. Saw me. In the night. Do, re, mi. Watch out. With the yellow, with the yellow, with the yellow light. Solo, so mi, re. How I'd like to see you shine tonight. Do, re, mi, la, so, mi, re, mi, do. Good job. Now, if you need practice, go back and watch it again and practice with hand signs, okay? Remember, our new note is re. It lives between mi and do.